Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Ganesh M. Kapse, Department of Geography, late Nirdan Patil Waghaye, Art Commerce and Science College, Lucknow, District Bhandara. One day International Multidisciplinary E-Conference, Chintamani Mahavidyalay, Ghuggus, District Chandrapur, and Kumbarkar College of Social Work, Wardha, jointly organize one day international conference on intellectual property rights, patent, copyrights, research articles, importance and drafting skill. Conference date 15 July 2020. First to congratulations to organize. Welcome to all participants and dignitaries and resource persons. Good morning to all of you. My research paper title Intellectual Property Rights in Indian Agriculture. My research paper introduction Intellectual Properties Rights IPRS can be broadly defined as legal rights established over creative on inventive ideas. Such legal rights generally allow rights holders to include the under authorized commercial use of their creation, invention by third person. The regional of the establishment of a legal framework on IPRS in that it is a single to society that creative and invite ideas will be rewarded. This does not mean that there is no other way for regarding such ideas or that this system is absolutely necessary, even less sufficient to reward inventiveness or creativity. Nevertheless, in would be different today that IPRS do have a role to play in setting up of any such reward system. My research paper study objective. The present study has the following objective. First, to study the discussion of the IPRS relevant to Indian agriculture and explain these rights. Second objective, to understand in the international intellectual property law, database and methodology. The data has been furnished from the related article research paper. Some data has furnished the website and as well as Time magazine for the present research paper. The secondary sources have been used. The article regarding to it have been read thoroughly. The descriptive and analytical research methods has been used for this research paper. interpretation my research paper. What is the intellectual property? Intellectual property means nowadays in agriculture, trade, intellectual property is becoming greatly important. Intellectual property is not a physical property. It slowly construct of the mind. In the future, innovation along with product differentiation is likely to be important to agriculture industries. In the world market, there is vast competition. The more benefits may accruance to those products who adopt intellectual property IP to the greatest advantage in such condition the way the international trading system trained IP will be significantly essential. Without markets, there is little incentive to innovate, and there are no means to get a return on innovation in a market context. Innovation and information are both judged to be valuable. The government all its properties, rights, or innovation, brand, and other forms of IP. The use of IP may be an important element in the success of the agriculture sector in the future. Future. First, IPRS relevant to agriculture. Several of the IPRS maintained above are relevant to the agriculture sector in that they can be used to protect goods or service product in the agriculture sector. These are mainly patents, plant breeders, rights, trademark, geographical indication, and trade sectors. Second, intellect, international intellectual property law. Until recently, the multi-trial and plurilateral treaties administered by the World Intellectual Property Organized WIPO constitute the bulk of the international law on intellectual property. The consider the relevant treaties for IPRS related to agriculture, all the pairs convention on the protection of industrial property 1983 as revised up to 1967 and related related purulator territories which deal with areas such as patents, trademark applications of origin of unifier competition the pairs. Convenience establish creation minimum agreed standard and producer for the statement of industrial property. The most important of which were national trade treatment etc. The same treatment for national and foreign and the rights of property or the according of a grace period in the filling of industrial property application in member states. However, it still left considerable freedom to individual members to tailor their law according to their development and technological requirement. Third, international obligation on IPRS. Indian is not yet a member of the Paris Convention of the UPOV. Indian is, however, India is a founder member of the WTO and is therefore party to the TRIPS agreement which came into focus on 1995 beginning a developing countries. India is entitled to transaction period of 5 years up to 1/1/2000 of most provision of TRIPS and important exception is the introduce of product patent in areas of technology not covered so far for which time is available up to 1/1 to 2059. Nevertheless, the so-called process by product patent with the revision of burden of proof would have been two in place by 1/1/2000. My research paper conclusions. The Consultativity Group of International Agriculture Research CGIAR and the International Agriculture Research Center LARCS can play a consultative role in the two-way transfer of technologies between the national agriculture research system NARS and private sector seed components. Several modalities have already been even is such as material transfer, agriculture, link, listening, or cross listening, joint events, or private funding of basic research in the public sector. On the on the issues of patent being taken out of the basic of traditional no lease without. My research paper references Bhattacharya Abhijit, Research Journal, Dr. Kudnar, Dr. Bishen, and my other research papers. Thank to organized by Chintamani Mahavidyalay and Kumbarkar College, Wardha. I am very thanks to all participants and dignitaries. Thank you very much.